around 3 a.m. ata. Tissue. Sobrang nakaka-warm ng heart. Anong shade lipstick na ginagamit ko? Ginagamit ko saan? From Bacolod. Hello. Yes, guys, kaibigan ko si Fiang. Fiang and I had some things inside sa bahay ni Kuya. But then, and I always say this, I left Kuya's house na I'm okay with everyone. Everything was settled, everything was talked about, apologies were done, so okay na guys. So I hope also you'll also help us in our moving forward stage and our healing stage together with Fiang, because I don't think it's gonna help us also if kahit kayo hindi like you keep on dwelling on the past. Like, let's move forward, learn from it. And we've learned from everything naman. Yun naman yung importante for us. Yung weight ko, oh my gosh, I think I entered PBB house. Because grabe ako kumain ng sweets. As in, like, pwede ako hindi kumain ng rice whole day. Pero grabe yung kain ko ng sweets and pastries. Talaga. And from my work before, grabe yung stress eating ko. And pag nasa-stress ako, naghahanap na ako ng sweet. So, alam yan ang lahat ng workmates ko. Na lagi ako may chocolate, lagi ako may pastries, lagi akong nag-jamba juice. So, yun. I think I entered BBB house 58 ako. 58, almost 59 kilograms. When I left BBB house, I was 52. So, grabe yung pagbaba. Oh, my favorite song right now na nakalimutan ko yung kay James Reid, Romantiko. Romantiko ba? Ay, hindi. Random. Ay. Randomantic. Like, sige kung paminaw sa Randomantic. Randomantic Diet Pepsi also. I've been listening to it. Ilang months ako sa bahay ni Kuya? 2 months and 2 weeks ata? Including House Challenger. Tama ba? Yeah. Yeah, magkikita kami ni Fiangi soon. Syempre, after Big Night, magkikita kami. I mean, during Big Night. And then after, then... Excuse me. Yes, Randomatic Matic by James Reid. I love it. Sinong big winner ko? Si Kai. Kai is my big winner. Actually, guys, I have to have my thyroid checked because my grandmother has goiter. My mom has goiter. They're both the eldest. They're both babae. Syempre, lola, mama. So I have to have mine checked also. But thank you so much for your concern. I can't go home sa Dumaguete now. Okay, you love my rings. Thank you. Okay, this ring, it's given by my grand aunt, Mommy Vernie, when I graduated from university. So I graduated cum laude. Yeah, so this was her. She bought this when, I think this was one of her first rings that she bought. Because favorite color niya din purple. And my face na sobrang favorite ko yung color yung purple. So, yeah. So, she gave this to me nung nag-graduate ako. Kasi ako daw yung first grand niece niya. So, this is very special and I wear this every single day. Yeah. Sometimes ko lang hindi siya wear, especially pag nagda-dive ako or pag very risky kung anong gagawin ko. This is just cheap. I just bought this in Bali. So, nung nag-Bali ako before ako nag-enter sa PBB house, binili ko lang to. Yeah, this one. Actually, dapat ko to iniwan ni Colette because Colette really likes this. Pero sa isip ko, bibilhan ko na lang si Colette ng bago na hindi nagto-tarnish. Nag-tarnish na kasi siya. So, pangat naman kung ibigay ko siya kay Colette na may tarnish na. So, yeah. And this one, actually, this is Jaren's ring. He brought a lot of rings sa PBB house. And then, nung nag-show and tell, yun. Nasa akin na yung ring. Wow, Claudine, happy birthday. It's your birthday today. Thank you for watching the live. When's my birthday? My birthday is December 24, 1999. Yes, Bisaya ako. Sa man ninyo ganahan nga madunggan ako nga Bisaya. Oh my gosh, sinisip mo na ako, guys. Ano ba to? Okay. Hirap at saka akong ganahan yung Bisaya. Sinong bias ko sa BTS? Si Jungkook. As in, Jungkook. Si Jungkook lang jud ang ako ang bias. Jungkook is my standard. He can sing, he can dance, he's very sporty, he's very talented. He's very sweet. I'm very sweet. Close na close. Pero yun. Height ko, I'm just 5'3.8. Sige, so 5'4 na lang natin. I'm not tall, I'm short. Bias ko sa Bini, bias Mika. Bini Mika is my bias. Oo, Bisaya ako, taga Dumaguete ko. Uy, ginoo ko, simba ko. Bye, it's me, Faith. Sino crush ko? Sino bang crush ko? Jerry Corsalas is my crush. Sino? Kulantok siya kanina, pero sa mga new viewers, yung Build a Man Foundation kasi, always yung joke ng friends ko, ever since I was in senior high na, kasi yung mga ex ko, every time na we break up or ganon, naging better individual sila, better boyfriends sa next relationship nila. And yung 2 exes ko, hindi yung recent one, pero yung 2 exes ko before, nag-time na nag-message ko na, tapos nag-thank you sila sa akin kasi ang dami na nilang natutunan, they treated their girlfriends better, yung mga ganon. So syempre, nakaka-happy din na at least may natutunan sila sa akin. So yun, so lagi sinasabi ng friends ko na may Build a Man Foundation ako. And napag-usapan namin siya sa PBB house na may Build a Man Foundation ako na seryoso ata ni JM kasi alam niya naman na nag-advocacy work ako, so baka naisip niya naging legit talaga na advocacy work ko yung Build a Man Foundation. So yun, and nakwento ko din na because my dad also has advocacy work, so maybe na-connect niya na nag-Build a Man Foundation to. So yeah, ate nagkaon ka na. Yeah, kumain ako ng binigyan ako ni Dylan kasi before ng Spanish bread and cheese bread because I love pastries. Okay, my mom's here, guys.
Hi.
But ang gulo niya ng buhok niya. She just woke up from siesta. Yeah, sobrang sarap nito. Actually. Anyway, di ba sabi ko mag-makeup ako. Hindi na natuloy. Ano pa lang? Ito pa lang. Tsaka... wait. Can you describe one word the remaining housemates? Wow. Okay. Grabe, one word lang? Ang hirap naman ng one word. Teka lang. Sige, or a phrase na lang. Alang hirap. Sige. Sige, ituloy ko to kasi nabasa ko eh. Si Rain, she's a star. She's a star. Nakakalungkot lang na not everyone sees Rain talaga as her. Like, she's been consistent since day one. That's my Reina. She's the sweetest. Reina and I are quite similar in so many ways, but also different. Pero as in, like, nakikita ko din sarili ko kay Rain. Because she's emotional din. So, I remember my time na umiiyak si Rain, tinatago niya yung tears niya. Pero, sabi niya, naghahanap ako ng kampi, Ate Jazz, and ikaw talaga yung una kong tininan. So, when she saw me, I was also crying secretly. As in, nag-hug na lang kaming dalawa. So, that's my Reina, and she's really a star. She's very sweet, kind-hearted. One word, pero ang dami. Dili na ako ma-one word si Rain. Dili na actually sila tanan, di na ako ma-one word. Si Kai Holistic, grabe, she's also a star. She's very talented. She's very kind. She's very chill. She's chill. She's unbothered. But then all throughout, like, PBB, she grew so much and learned how to handle her emotions. So, yeah, and Kai is my winner. Si Colette, oh Colette, I miss her so much. Colette is like my si Colette, one of my favorite memories talaga ni Colette is every time she calls me like, Ate Jazz, parang ng damit, or Ate Jazz, anong susuotin ko ngayon? Because I really feel that I have a little sister in her, in dressing her up. So, sobrang favorite moment ko yan together with Colette. Every time I do her hair, every time. Ngayon, I know later part, hindi ko na siya tinutulungan ng makeup kasi magaling na mag-makeup si Colette. Nakuha na niya yung gamay sa face niya. Wow, thank you JM Fiang for sending so much gifts, so many gifts. Wow, grabe. Grabe kayo. Grabe, solid ng fan base. Continue to support. JM and Fiang. Nakalimutan ko. So si Colette, ang galing na niya. Pero yun yung mga, Ate Jazz, patulong naman sa makeup, Ate Jazz, yung makeup. So, syempre ni Colette ko talaga din na feel yung ganun type of sister na. And sinasabi ko yun ni Colette, na alam mo Colette, kasi sabi niya, Ate Jazz, kagalit ka na ba? Lagi kong hinihiram yung damit mo. Sabi ko, no. I love it when they borrow my clothes. Because I really feel like I have a sister. Kasi dati, yung kapatid ko lang na lalaki, si Roger. Pero baby pa siya noon. Like, he was like 3 or 4. Dinadress up ko. So, nakikita ko na naging sisters ko sila. And si Colette, yun yung fondest memory ko with Colette na babalunin ko and yun, mag-shopping kami after. Colette, she's the most changed also. One of the most changed inside. I've seen her grow. Tapos, sobrang na-touch ako nung umalis ako. Tapos, kinausap niya si Kai, si Rain, tsaka si Jaran. Tapos, nagiging ate talaga siya sa kanila. Yung sinabi niya, I can be your ate, I can be your mom. Huwag kayong maging sad kasi ayaw ni Ate Jazz na makita umiyak kayo. So, yun. Sobrang na-touch ako kay Colette. So, Colette really, she grew. Yeah. And nakita ko yun all throughout since day 1. And cute talaga si Colette kasi selosa si Colette, but in a cute way. We don't take it, kami lahat sa loob ng bahay, we don't take it the wrong way. She's very cute. So every time na hinahag ko si Kai and si Rain, tapos pagkaganon yan siya in Bisaya na parang, si Kai na lang yun, ug si Rain, sige imuha, mo jud imong favorite, di na jud ko ni mo love. Mga na si Colette. So like, ako na siya ihag, then ginakiss na ko si Colette, which I really love. Yun yung mga fondest memory ko. Diba sabi niya, describe in one word. Hindi ko na siya na-describe in one word. Nag-fondest memory na. Tapos si Fiangi, sobrang dami. I think si Fiangi ang daming, grabe yung character development ni Fiang. As in, she really grew inside the house ni Kuya. And evident naman siguro sa inyo, but siguro mas evident sa amin kasi kami yung kasama siya since day 1. So sobra, she's very strong-willed. Sobrang strong yung personality niya. And then all throughout the journey na, nakita na namin yung softer side ni Fiangi. Yung love niya for her family. So ganon. Memory ko kay Fiang, yung nag-cut kami ng baggages with each other also. And then yung sinabi niya na now, I see a big sister right in front of my eyes. And then ako. So parang naging closer talaga kami ni Fiangi. Especially after nun. And then, it's a slow process of me and Fiang. But we're getting there. And wala lang, cute lang talaga. And siya kasi yung reason bakit kumakain na rin ako ng bread na may chocolate powder na mina-microwave. Kasi dati sabi ko, nung ginawa ko yun, sobrang tigas. So, tinuruan niya ako. Then after nun, kinagawa ko. And sobrang funny, guys. Kasi, grabe yung JM Fiang. Thank you for all your gifts. My gosh, thank you. So, sobrang funny anyway. Kasi, guys, in a day, kunwari may 3 bread kami. Kinakain namin yung 3 breads namin nung sa chocolate. Sobrang nakakabaho siya ng otot, guys. Sobrang tamang-tama yung kami ni Fiang. So, naalala ko, like, pag nasa bed na kami. Kasi kami may magkatabi sa bed. Binabuzzer na kami ni Kuya kasi tawang-tawa na lang kami. Kasi sobrang baho talaga. Nakakabaho yung chocolate. Tapos, mina-microwave, honestly. Pero yeah, grabe yung character development ni Fiang. And she really grew. And makikita mo talaga yung heart her big heart na she has. Yeah, and then last na naiwan is si JM. Si JM naman, he was very silent first week. Talaga. Pero first week pa lang, alam ko na yung goal niya. Kasi nung nag ano kami sa 11 spots, diba, one of the first naman ako nag-help mag-decide. And then, yun, tinanong ko kasi siya, bakit? Like, parang tinanong ko siya, bakit ka what's your reason or what's your goal? Bakit nandito ka? Tapos sabi niyo, wala naman ako dito if it's not for the money. Because anhin niya yung time niya and said sa bahay ni kuya, if he can hustle outside, mas madami pa siyang pera siguro makuha. Pero he has a goal. So first week pa lang, alam ko na, yan yung goal niya. And he really sticked with his goal. Although, ang daming, mangyayari, hindi naman natin ina-expect yung mangyayari sa loob ng bahay ni kuya, ups and downs. So yun, he really maintained that. And ako, I would say na is genuine to each and every one sa bahay. No one's perfect naman at the end of the day. And yun, nakilala ko naman sila. Kasi kasama ko sila 2 months and 2 weeks. May conversation nga kami sa teens versus adults na tinanong niya ako, ano yung nakita kong biggest change sa kanya since first week until no sa teens versus adult. At sinabi ko talaga na he was very silent ng first week. Hindi siya masyadong nagsasalita. Naalala ko, nag-converse kami. Had a conversation sa veranda. Ako, siya, Jaren was there. I think Kuya Brix and Colette. We had a conversation. And then tinatanong what's the biggest change na nangyari sa life namin. And then, hindi siya sumagot. Kami yung sumagot para sa kanya through the little words or the little answers that he has given. Yun ang sagot. So, sinabi namin sa kanya, nag-worry pa siya, sabi niya, parang nag-iba daw siya. Sabi ko, that's not wrong. I mean, character development. And nandun naman kami sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. We always learn. Every day is a learning curve for us. Pangit naman if wala kaming nalalearn. Kahit to everyone, like everyone's mistakes sa bahay ni Kuya, kami din naman nalalearn. So, sometimes we talk about it so that we can learn from it. Pero makikita namin, at the end of the day, we're a family inside. So, yun. Di ba? Nasagot ko ba yun? But, yeah. Yun. But yeah, I love them. Especially I love all the girls na iwan. I love Kai, Rain, Colette, and Fiangi. Especially Kai and Rain, grabe, miss na miss ko na sila. But syempre, after pa. And so, nakita ko nga kanina, may nagtag sa akin na miss na daw ako nila. Anyway, taka lang, hindi pa ako tapos mag-makeup. Kailangan ko na yung umalis nila in a bit.